Artificial intelligence isn't coming. It's already here. Every single day, AI systems are quietly making decisions, creating content, and even saving lives, often without you even realizing it. In this video, we'll explore real-world AI tools already shaping your world, from diagnosing diseases to generating videos and cloning voices. And stay until the end to learn about one tool so advanced, it feels like science fiction. Aidoc, diagnosing diseases faster than doctors. In hospitals across the US, Europe, and Asia, Aidoc's AI scans medical images in seconds. While a radiologist might take hours reviewing a stack of CT scans, Aidoc's algorithms can flag a possible stroke or pulmonary embolism in less than a minute. In 2024, a study showed Aidoc reduced diagnostic times by 45%, leading to faster treatment and, in many cases, saving lives. Hospitals like Sheba Medical Center in Israel and Yale New Haven in the US are already using it every day. ElevenLabs, cloning voices in multiple languages. Imagine hearing your voice or your favorite celebrities speaking flawless Spanish, Japanese, or Arabic. ElevenLabs' voice synthesis technology doesn't just clone voices. It adds emotions and supports multilingual output. This tech has been used in audiobooks, dubbing movies, and even recreating the voices of historical figures for educational projects. In 2025, an indie game developer used ElevenLabs to localize their game into 12 languages without hiring voice actors, cutting costs by 80%. Papercup, translating videos in your own voice. Speaking of localization, Papercup takes it even further. This AI translates video content and dubs it in your voice, matching tone and cadence. BBC and Sky News already use Papercup to reach global audiences. In one case, a documentary translated to Spanish using Papercup reached 3 times more views in Latin America than the original. For YouTubers and educators, this tool is a game changer. Runway, creating realistic videos from text. Runway's Gen 3 model can generate stunning video clips from just a text prompt. Brands are using it for quick ad prototypes, filmmakers for pre-visualization, and even musicians for AI-generated music videos. One viral example, a Nike concept ad created entirely in Runway in 2025 gathered 12 million views on TikTok in 48 hours. This isn't the future, it's already part of the creative process. And here's where it gets even more fascinating. These aren't isolated tools, they're part of a much bigger shift. AI isn't just assisting humans anymore. In some cases, it's making decisions before humans even notice. If you're enjoying this deep dive, subscribe now to ZeroKit AI. The next tool we're about to explore is quietly shaping industries behind the scenes. Glean, making business decisions faster than people. Used by companies like Dell and Okta, Glean is an AI workplace search tool. It connects to emails, documents, and apps to instantly answer employee questions or suggest actions. In large enterprises, Glean reduced decision-making bottlenecks by 35%, helping teams act faster and more accurately. Think of it as a corporate ChatGPT on steroids. MidJourney and DALL, creating images for almost anything. In marketing, design, and social media, MidJourney and DALL are now household names. DALL helped a nonprofit in Kenya create a campaign about clean water without hiring a design agency. MidJourney powered visual storytelling for fashion brands like Zara in their seasonal launches. These tools aren't replacing creativity, they're amplifying it. DeepMind, AlphaFold, solving protein folding mysteries. AlphaFold predicted the structure of over 200 million proteins, helping scientists develop new drugs and treatments faster. In 2025, it was credited with accelerating a breakthrough in malaria vaccine research by predicting complex protein interactions in weeks instead of years. Aidoc Revisited, shaping your everyday health. It's worth mentioning Aidoc again because AI in healthcare is one of the most impactful areas. From triaging emergency room cases to monitoring patients post-surgery, AI systems like Aidoc are now integral to hospitals worldwide. This isn't science fiction. This is real, and it's already part of your world. Which of these AI tools surprised you the most? Have you unknowingly interacted with any of them? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to ZeroKit AI. Every week, we break down real AI tools and trends shaping your future, so you can stay ahead of the curve.